N is for narwhal. O is for owl. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rhinoceros. S is for sheep. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for vulture. W is for wolf. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Great job, friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Little Owl Learning, made easy for more fun and learning adventures.